people, this Maximus here, the robot cabin. Me have room. My back seat bigger than the mattress the landlord had upon.
Mama, me rate you, but me can't charge one fare. Me shock say 2 passengers already inside. Rotted.
Yo, you can't carry me go up the hill. Wanna feel it rude if me just fling one breath mint in him mouth right now?
Technology moving fast. There will soon be flying cars. But a lot of una will keep your tongue pan E and crash out the sky. Balling, me know me car.
Me see some youth on the corner all day. Them not touch a dollar. Just air and sunshine. You're moving like your flower. Go look hustle.
But people, me might have to cut this one early. Me had some curry crab at the spot. You know the spot? I know my belly a cut me.
So, Maximus senior resume, I can see loud voice, street smarts, wittiness, and under education you've put School of Hard Knocks.
Me like your spirit, but me see you vlogging. You know this is an interview, right? We got 700 people for this one job.
You can't buy this degree.
Well, let's see. Yeah, so at Jamaican, we have enough department. Customer service, tech support, debt collection, people owe money. Me like see them sweat. Furthermore, we don't talk pay yet. What my payment going to look like?
Aye.
And boss, you have any perks? I hope you could scratch my name off the debt list, you know? Me still owe this place for enough things. Okay, me I hire you up on the spot on the debt collection team.
Thank you, boss. Don't forget to wipe my name, though. Yo, what go on, Mr. Thompson? This is Maximus from Global Collections. You know why me I call? You know pay your bill, man.
Busy? Busy! Me brethren, me no care if you're busy baking a cake for the Prime Minister. You owe money and me forget it. You want paying Ras parts. You boast about paying holiday in full on social media. And me see the pics.
Blessed morning. Wagwan?
Yo, Granny, me hear you are the prayer warrior. But you lose the battle with this debt. It'll rack up interest from 1965.
Yeah, break up.
Gary, the bedroom set you get Margaret. Yes, your outside girl, Margaret, don't change the subject. It's now paid for in full. We take back stove. We take back car, like your BMW. We take back washing machine. But we not take back broke up bed and a beat out mattress. And if we don't get your payment in full, may I send the paperwork to your home? Where your wife stays there. Payment went through, Gary. Thanks for making the right choice. Also, Joe Grind tell me that same bed set nice.